Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how to hide posts from friends on Facebook. For that, you need to open your Facebook account and make sure to log in on your account. On the upper right corner, you will see the three-line icon. Tap on it and on the bottom of the screen you can find setting and privacy option. Tap on it and now tap on settings. This will take you to the setting and privacy page. Scroll down and you will see post under the audience and visibility. Tap on it. Then now you'll be guided to this page where on the first option you can see who can see your future post. Tap on it and now you need to tap on see more and you can tap on only me. So in this way you can hide the post from friends on Facebook. Now tap on save, go back to your profile, tap on see your profile, and when you scroll down tap on it and now you can tap on edit privacy, tap on see more again and tap on only me. Come back and here you can see that once you refresh this post will be hidden from the friends on the Facebook. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.